We often wonder, why did this happen to me? And sometimes, when life gives us too much, we become proud. In chasing desires and achievements, we forget that everything is written by our Creator. We forget His plan. In the end, only time can reveal what is truly good or bad. Maybe right now you are facing hardships, or maybe you are living in comfort and forgetting about tomorrow. If that is the case, then this story is for you. It will not just make you think you, so listen carefully until the very end. At the foot of a quiet hill, beside a thick forest, there was a small village. In that village lived a humble man named Mr. Elias. He was middle-aged and lived a simple life, always struggling with money. For him, having 2 meals a day was already a blessing. But what made him different was his heart. He was always content and never complained. Mr. Elias owned a small piece of land where he worked hard every day to grow crops. Helping him was his only son, Noah, and their strong white horse, Leo. But Leo was no ordinary horse. He was intelligent, hardworking, and swift. To both Elias and Noah, Leo was like family. One day, the news of Leo's beauty and cleverness reached a wealthy merchant from the city, Mr. Carter. He came with his son to see Leo. When he laid eyes on the horse, he was amazed. He immediately offered Elias a large sum of money to buy Leo. But to everyone's shock, Elias politely refused. The villagers were surprised, even angry. They whispered, "Elias is a fool. He could have been rich overnight." But then something unexpected happened. Just a few days later, Leo vanished. Elias and Noah searched everywhere, but there was no sign of him. The villagers mocked Elias even more. Some even said that merchant must have stolen him. Noah was heartbroken and asked his father, "Why are you so calm?" "We lost our most precious horse." Elias smiled gently and replied, "Son, good and bad come together. Time will tell which this truly is." A few days later, something unbelievable happened. While working in the field, they suddenly saw Leo running back, and he was not alone. He had returned with 5 wild horses. The whole village was stunned. The same people who had mocked Elias now praised him. "How lucky he is," they said. But Elias remained calm, no pride, no excitement. Noah began training the wild horses day by day. But during this, one of the horses threw him off, and his leg broke badly. The villagers whispered again, "See, these horses brought nothing but trouble." In pain, Noah said, "Father, this time something truly bad has happened." Elias looked at him with calm eyes and said, "Son, never judge life by a single moment. Time will tell what this means." At that time, Noah did not understand, but soon after, war broke out in the land. Every healthy young man from the village was taken to fight. Many never returned, but Noah, because of his broken leg, was spared. The village was filled with grief. Many parents wept for their lost sons. They came to Elias and said, "You are so fortunate, your son has been saved." Elias sat beside Noah and said softly, "See, my son, losing Leo seemed bad, but he returned with 5 more. Breaking your leg was painful, but it saved your life. That is why, when good happens, don't be too proud, and when bad happens, don't lose hope. Life is bigger than a single moment. Only time can reveal its meaning. The lesson is this: everything good or bad will pass. We cannot always understand God's plan right away, but one day it will all make sense. So be patient, be grateful, and keep faith strong. Whatever you are going through right now, remember this too shall pass. Do not break in hardships, and do not fly too high in good times. Balance is the secret. If you liked this story, leave a like and tell us in the comments what you learned from it. We will see you in the next one. Take care.